Welcome to today's video. If you're interested in improving your nerve health and discovering the essential vitamins that can aid in nerve repair, you've come to the right place. Our nervous system is a vital part of our body, responsible for transmitting signals between the brain and other parts of the body. Proper nourishment is key to keeping it in optimal condition. Before we get started, make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more health and nutrition content. Your support helps us continue bringing valuable information to you. Now, let's dive into the top 6 vitamins that play a crucial role in repairing nerves and maintaining a healthy nervous system. Remember, this video is for educational purposes only, so consult your doctor before making any significant changes to your diet or supplement regimen. Vitamin B1. Thiamin. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamin, is one of the essential B-complex vitamins that supports various bodily functions, including nerve health. It plays a significant role in energy metabolism and neurotransmitter production, both of which are crucial for nerve function. Here's how vitamin B1 contributes to nerve repair. 1. Promotes nerve growth. Thiamin helps produce nerve growth factors, NGF, which are proteins essential for the growth and maintenance of nerve cells. 1. A deficiency in vitamin B1 can lead to reduced NGF levels, potentially causing nerve damage and degeneration. 2. Enhances nerve conductivity. Vitamin B1 supports the production of myelin, the fatty sheath that insulates nerve fibers. 2. Myelin is vital for efficient nerve signal transmission, and its absence can lead to nerve dysfunction. 3. Reduces oxidative stress. Thiamin acts as an antioxidant, neutralizing harmful molecules called reactive oxygen species, ROS, that can damage nerve cells. 3. By reducing oxidative stress, it protects nerves from further damage. 4. Improves energy metabolism. As thiamin aids in carbohydrate metabolism, it ensures that nerves have the energy required for repair and proper functioning. 5. Strengthens cellular function. Thiamin boosts cellular function by supporting enzyme activity that helps repair and rejuvenate damaged nerve cells, ensuring optimal recovery. Sources of vitamin B1 include whole grains, nuts, seeds, pork, and legumes. If you experience symptoms like tingling, numbness, or weakness, a thiamin-rich diet or supplementation may help support your nerve health. Vitamin C. Ascorbic acid. Vitamin C, or ascorbic acid, is a powerful antioxidant that plays a vital role in repairing and maintaining nerve health. It supports the nervous system through several mechanisms. 1. Collagen synthesis. Collagen is essential for the structural integrity of the nerve sheath, which protects nerves. 1. Vitamin C promotes collagen production, ensuring the sheath remains strong and resilient. 2. Neutralizes free radicals. As a potent antioxidant, vitamin C protects nerve cells from damage caused by free radicals and oxidative stress, promoting faster repair. 3. Supports immune function. The immune system is vital in the healing process of damaged nerves. 3. Vitamin C boosts immune cell activity, helping clean up debris and promote healing. 4. Aids neurotransmitter production. Neurotransmitters are chemicals that carry signals between nerve cells. 4. Vitamin C is necessary for their synthesis, ensuring proper nerve function and repair. 5. Prevents degeneration. By maintaining the strength of connective tissues, vitamin C helps protect nerves from physical and chemical deterioration, ensuring their longevity. Sources of vitamin C include citrus fruits, strawberries, bell peppers, broccoli, and spinach. Including these in your diet can help improve nerve health and prevent further damage. Vitamin D. Calciferol. Vitamin D, often called the sunshine vitamin, is essential for overall health, including the repair and regeneration of damaged nerves. Research shows that vitamin D influences nerve health in the following ways. 1. Stimulates nerve growth factors. Vitamin D promotes the production of nerve growth factors, which are crucial for the repair and survival of nerve cells. 2. Supports myelin formation. Vitamin D helps in the formation of myelin, ensuring the efficient transmission of nerve signals. 3. Protects against oxidative stress. By reducing oxidative stress, vitamin D protects nerves from further damage and supports their repair process. 4. Prevents neuropathy. Studies have shown that individuals with low vitamin D levels are more prone to conditions like peripheral neuropathy, characterized by nerve damage in the hands and feet. 5. Boosts calcium regulation. Adequate vitamin D levels ensure proper calcium regulation, which is critical for nerve function and signaling. The best source of vitamin D is sunlight exposure, but you can also get it from fortified foods, fatty fish, and supplements if needed. Regular blood tests can help ensure your vitamin D levels are within the optimal range. Vitamin E. Alpha-Tocopherol. Vitamin E, a fat-soluble vitamin, is a powerful antioxidant that protects nerve cells from damage. Its benefits include 1. Antioxidant properties. Vitamin E neutralizes free radicals, preventing oxidative damage to nerve cells. 2. Reduces inflammation. Chronic inflammation can harm nerves. 2. Vitamin E's anti-inflammatory effects help reduce nerve pain and promote healing. 3. Improves blood flow. By improving circulation, vitamin E ensures that nerve cells receive adequate oxygen and nutrients for repair. 4. Protects myelin. Vitamin E safeguards the myelin sheath from damage, ensuring proper nerve conductivity. 5. Supports nerve regeneration. Vitamin E stimulates the production of new blood vessels and nerve growth factors, accelerating the repair process. 6. Enhances neurological function. By improving cellular function in the nervous system, vitamin E aids in optimizing overall neurological health. You can find vitamin E in nuts, seeds, spinach, and sunflower oil. Its supplementation may benefit those with neuropathy caused by diabetes or chemotherapy. Vitamin B12. Cobalamin. Vitamin B12 is crucial for the maintenance and repair of nerve cells. It supports myelin synthesis and plays a role in DNA production, essential for cell growth and repair. Here's how B12 aids in nerve health. 1. Supports myelin formation. By aiding in myelin production, vitamin B12 ensures efficient communication between nerve cells. 2. Regulates homocysteine levels. High levels of homocysteine can be toxic to nerves. 2. Vitamin B12 helps convert homocysteine into a non-toxic form, reducing the risk of nerve damage. 3. Improves nerve function. Studies have shown that B12 supplementation improves symptoms like numbness, pain, and tingling in individuals with neuropathy. 4. Promotes cellular recovery. B12 is integral to the synthesis of new nerve cells, ensuring continuous repair and rejuvenation. 5. Reduces neuropathy risks. B12 can help prevent neuropathy related to conditions like diabetes, chemotherapy, or alcohol abuse. Vitamin B12 is found in animal products like meat, fish, and dairy. Vegans and vegetarians may require supplements or fortified foods to meet their needs. Vitamin K. Phylloquinone Menaquinone. Vitamin K, known for its role in blood clotting, also plays a part in nerve repair and regeneration. Here's how it contributes. 1. Supports nerve regeneration. Vitamin K promotes the production of Gas6, a protein essential for the survival and repair of nerve cells. 2. Enhances cell survival. Gas6 activates signaling pathways that protect nerve cells and stimulate their regeneration. 3. Maintains calcium balance. Vitamin K helps keep calcium in bones and out of arteries, reducing the risk of cardiovascular issues that can impact nerve health. 4. Promotes protein activation. By activating specific proteins, vitamin K ensures the structural integrity and functionality of nerves. Sources of vitamin K include green leafy vegetables like kale, spinach, and broccoli, as well as eggs and meat. Ensuring a diet rich in these foods can greatly benefit your nerve health. Conclusion: incorporating these 6 essential vitamins, B1, C, D, E, B12, and K, into your diet can significantly improve your nerve health and aid in the repair process. Remember that maintaining a healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise, a balanced diet, and proper hydration, is equally important. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Share this video with anyone who might benefit from this information, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.